Before going to start my lecture, I would like to share few quotes with you, which is, the world cannot defeat you until you accept the defeat. Hazrat Ali's call. Lecture number 3, and it's very important to class 5th unit to cover the unit number 2 and class 6 to cover the unit number 3. Topics: LCM and HCF, vectors and multiples. Now, before going to start, I would like to share what is the multiples. A multiple of a number is found by multiplying the number by any whole number. What are the first 6 multiples? If this is the example, we should know what are the 4 multiple of 6. Okay, like we want to count a table. First 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. These are the first 6 multiples of 4. There are few examples, like the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are all multiples. Another example is the multiple of 3's are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. And the last example is the multiples of 10's are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. These all are the multiples of different tables. Now, how can we know that any number is divisible or multiple of any other number? If we want to check that a 12 is a multiple of 3, we get, if you multiply 3 by 4, you get 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. Now next is 15 a multiple of 3? Yes, because if we multiply 3 by 5, the answer will be 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3. Is 21 is a multiple of 6? No, because you cannot make 21 by multiplying 6 by any whole number. Now we will learn about factors. A factor is a whole number that divides exactly into a given number. Like for example, there is, what are the factors of 30? Okay, now I have written 30 has many factors: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are all factors of 30. Now we will do the practice. Find out 4 factors for each number, like 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the 4 factors of 8. And what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the numbers which divisible by 6. Okay, examples. What are the factors of 12? Like 12 is a factor of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12 can be divided evenly by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. That's why the 12 is the factor of these all digits. So we can say that 12 is a composite numbers. Difference between factors and multiples. It's very easy. Factors are are the numbers you multiply together to get a product. Or factor is a number that exactly divides by another number without leaving a remainder. Like 12, there are 2 multiples, 2 multiplied by 6. Okay, 12 is a multiple and 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. Okay, now you can understand better about the factors and the multiples. Okay, there are some rules that you can check without multiply 4 or 5 number digits. You can check without multiply that these are divisible by 2, 3, 4 or 5, 10, 8 and 9 or even 6. Okay, now if you want to check a number which are more than 6 or 5 or maybe 7 digits, you can check even last digit should be even number like 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Or if you want to check without division that a number is divisible by 3, you will sum up the digits and then divisible by 3, those digits. Okay, if you want to check the divisible of 4, then you formed by the last two digits in divisible by 4. Okay, a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 0 or 5. And further you can also read and understand what are there. Okay, now prime factors. A prime factor is a factor that is also a prime number. For example, what are the factors of 30? We have learned about the factors. So 30 has how many factors? 2, 3 and 5. These are all factors of 30. Prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are divisible by their own table or one table. Okay, like look at the slide. There are first 10 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are the first 10 prime numbers. Factorization and prime factorization. The factor pairs of or 60 are, these are the pairs of the factor 60. And the next page there are some factorization, and at the end there is prime factors like 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. These are all the prime factors. Exponential notation or index. When a number is multiplied by itself several times, we express the product in the given form. Like 3 multiplied by 3, we can write it 3 square. Okay, now 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, there are 4 5 times. We can write over there 4 raised to power 5. Like 8, there are 8 7 times. We can write over there 8 raised to power 7. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now factor trees. If you want to make a factor tree, first you write over there 36, then check the first factor of 36, that is 3 multiplied by 12. Okay, now 12 further divide, because 3 is not dividing, but 12 further divide between 4 and 3, and then 4 further divide 2 and 2. Then at the end you will write all the multiples of the 36 and write the repeated index over there with the raised power. Okay, next is prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? You can write prime numbers of 96. Then you first you will check that the what is the last digit. If it's even number, it's always divided by 2. Okay, like 2 divided by 96 is 48. At the end there is also a even number, then it will extra be also divided by even number, 24, then 12, then 6, then 3. You can write the prime factorization of 96 like this. Okay, next is prime factorization. I have made two types of prime factorization. Like now let us try another example. 9 10 is these are the factors of 910, and the other side there is a factor tree. And what are the prime factorization of 910 are 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 and multiplied by 3. These are the prime factorization. How can we find common multiples? These are the two examples like I have designed for you. Multiples, or if we want to know the multiples of 6 and multiples of 8, I have written over there like 6 multiples, and then under there is a multiples of 8, and the common multiples I have make a square. These are all common multiples with two multiples. Okay, least common factors, या least common number, or maybe LCM. The lowest common multiples or LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of both the number. Like name tells us that least means small. We can find this by writing down the first few multiples for both numbers until we find a number that is in both list. Like example is there we want to know the 20 and 25, what are the least common multiple. Least common multiple means small, very less common multiple between 20 and 25 tables. So there are 20, 40, 60, these are the all numbers of multiples of 20, and the 25 multiples are 25, 50, 70. Now 100 is the least common multiple. Okay. Second is LCM by prime factorization method. Now you can, LCM stands for, as you know, that lowest common factor. So the smallest number of the 12 and 18 is the 36. This is the LCM of the 12 and 36. They use the biggest power of the each prime factor from the two numbers and multiply these together. LCM by deviant method. LCM of deviant method, you can find, we multiply all the factors and then find the LCM. HCF, the highest common factor or HCF of two numbers is the highest number that is factor for of both numbers. Okay, like for example 36 and 45, we have two numbers. We will write over there highest common factor. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the multiples of factors of 36, and 45 has 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So 9 is the highest common factor of 36 and 45. Prime factorization by deviant method. This is the HCF by prime factorization method. This is the prime factorization method. First we take out the prime factors of each digit, then you will better understand with this circle table. There are two circle draw I have over there. 7 are the common multiples and 2, 3 are the common multiples, and 5 we will write HCF of both numbers are 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, and LCM we will multiply each digit. Okay. HCF by deviant method. We will divide the first divisor by the first remainder, then divide the second divisor by the second remainder, and at the end it should be a 0, and the highest common factor is on the left side. How to find the HCF of 3 digits number? Okay, you can see over there are 3 digits number 34, and you can divide like this. Before we have done before this before this. Okay, relationship between HCF and LCM of two numbers. There is a formula to find the relationship, like HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to products of two numbers. Okay, there is an example which I have designed to a better understanding of yours. The HCF of two numbers is 12 and their LCM is 72. If one of the numbers is 24, find the other. So we will put on the formula HCF is 12 and multiply LCM is 72. One number is 24, we will find another one and we let it x. Okay, then we solve all the whole equation and it will be, the answer will be the 36. Fi manillah, students, thank you. Allah Hafiz. May all of you understand all the concept which I have given to you. Thank you so much.